Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Last class we have discussed about intersecting lines by using graphical method. Okay, by using graphical method. Now we are going to check parallel lines. Now we are going to check parallel lines by using graphical representations. So how we know the given equations or represents parallel lines? Already we know some conditions. If a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, the equations represents intersecting lines. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2, those equations represents parallel lines. If all are equal, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 is equal, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, this condition is satisfied. The given pair of linear equations represents coincident lines. Now here first we have to verify with the coefficients and the nature of the equations. So see, if a1 by a2, so what is the value of here given equations are 2x minus 3y equal to 5 and 4x minus 6y equal to 15. We so here 4x, right, given equations implies 2x minus 3y equal to 5. Right, in order, 2x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And coming to the second equation, 4x minus 6y equal to 15. 4x minus 6y minus 15 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now we are going to check the relationship between coefficients and the nature of the equations. Now coefficients means already we know the coefficients of first equation, coefficients of second equations. Here a1 is coefficient of x, that is equal to 2, first equation. A2 b1 is coefficient of y, that is minus 3, and c1 is constant term, that is minus 5. Next, a2, coming to second equation, a2 is coefficient of x in second equation, that is 4, and b2 coefficient of y, that is minus 6, and the c2 is minus 15. C2 is minus 15. Now we are going to check a1 by a2 value. A1 by a2 value 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are, that is equal to 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 equal to minus 5 by minus 15. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 1s are 5 3s are, that is equal to 1 by 3. Now according to the coefficients, now a1 by a2 value is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 value also 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 value is 1 by 3. So here according to a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 values, what we have understand here. So if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, these two values are equal. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but does not equal to c1 by c2, the given pair of linear equations represents parallel lines. That is the condition. Represents parallel lines. So here now a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 does not equal to 1 by 3. So it represents what? Parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines. So here given, check whether the equations 2x minus 3y equal to 5 and the 4x minus 6y equal to 15 are consistent. What does it mean by consistent? Which equation has at least one solution? Here parallel lines has there is no solution. Okay, so here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. The given equations are represents parallel lines. Already we know intersecting lines. The equations intersecting lines are consistent lines, parallel lines are inconsistent, and the coincident lines are consistent. Why consistent and why not inconsistent? So which equations has which equations has at least one solutions, those equations have unique solution. At least one solution have, those are consistent, the remaining are inconsistent. So for these parallel lines there is no solution, there is no solutions, that's why the solution is inconsistent. So the solution is inconsistent. Here we have to show that inconsistent. Here the question is check whether the given equations are consistent, means it is not a consistent, it is inconsistent. Why? Because these equations represents parallel lines. Parallel lines means it has, there is no solutions and the solution is inconsistent. Now verify by the graphical method. Now we have to show in the graph. So let me say take some values. See, okay, see 2x minus 3y equal to 5. Then minus 3y equal to 5 minus 2x. Then y is equal to 2x minus 5 by 3. Why 2x minus 5 by 3? Here minus is sent to right side, it becomes 2x minus 5 and y is equal to 2x minus 5 by 3. So let x values are, you can take some 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3. 3 or 4 values enough. Why? Because we have to show that the parallel lines. Parallel lines means they do not intersect at any point. 3 or 4 values are enough for showing the parallel lines. So see, if x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 of 0 minus 5 by 3. So that is equal to minus 5 by 3 equal to minus 1.6. Minus 1.6. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 of 1 minus 5 by 3, that is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3 equal to minus 3 by 3 minus 1. If x is equal to 2, that implies y is equal to 2 of 2 minus 5 by 3 equal to 4 minus 5 by 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. What is the value of minus 1 by 3? Minus 0.3. Minus 0.3. So the first equation values are minus 0 comma, for x value 0, the y value is minus 1.6. The next point is 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 0.3. 2 comma minus 0.3. Next, for the second equation, 2x minus 4x minus 6y equal to 15. Then minus 6y equal to 15 minus 4x. Then y is equal to 4x minus 15 by 6. 4x minus 15 by 6. Now let x value same 0. If we are taking 0, then y value what? Y is equal to 4 of 0 minus 15 by 6. That is equal to minus 15 by 6 minus 6 2s are 12. Point, the remainder is 3 here, 6 5s are 30, minus 2.5. If x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y? Y is equal to 4 of 1 minus 15 by 6, that is equal to 4 minus 15 by 6 minus 11 by 6. What is the value of minus 11 by 6? 6 1s are 6, the remainder is 5. 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, minus 1.8. Now second equation's values are when x is equal to 0, the value is minus 2.5. So 0 comma minus 2.25, 1 comma minus 1.8, 2 comma minus 1.1, 2 comma minus 1.1. Now we are show in the graph these parallel lines. We have to show in the graph by using these points. So what is the graphical representation? First we have to draw x-axis, and draw y-axis. Y-axis, put here x-axis, and here x-dash axis, and here y-dash axis, and here y axis. This is the basic. Next write the scale x axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Here middle 0, the right side of the 0 of x axis is positive values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here negative values -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here also negative values -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to plot the graph. 0, minus 1.6. 0, minus 1.6 means the middle of -1 and -2 means here. 0 and minus 1.6. 0 and minus 1.6. Minus 1.6. Next 1, minus 1. 1, minus 1. Here x axis 0 and the y axis is minus 1.6. Minus 1.6 means here, and the next one is 1, minus 1. 1 and minus 1 here, and 2, minus 0.3. 2 x axis 2 and the y axis is 0.3 here. So we have to draw a straight line. By using these points we have to draw a straight line. Okay, and put arrow marks on both sides, and line representation is 2x minus 3y equal to 5. Next, coming to the second equation, 0, minus 2.5. X axis 0, y axis minus 2.5. Y axis minus 2.5 means here. Next, 1, minus 1.8. 1, minus 1.8 here. Next 2, minus 1.1. 2, minus 1.1 here. So these points represents, by using these points we have to draw a straight line and put arrow marks, and the line representation is 4x minus 6y equal to 15. 6y equal to 15. Already we have shown that according to the coefficients, already we know that the given pair of linear equations represents parallel lines. Here by using the points, by using the graph also, here we have shown that these two lines are represents parallel lines. Parallel lines means these two lines does not intersect at any point. It will go forward. Okay, like what is the examples of parallel lines? Like railway tracks. Railway tracks going straight. Two tracks are does not intersect at any point. Those two lines are, that is example of parallel lines. Okay, so now these two equations are represents parallel lines. After completing these parallel lines, here we have to write some points down of the graph. First point, it shows the parallel lines. First, these two lines shows that parallel lines. The next one is, it has how many solutions? There is no solutions. If you are substituted here, not these two lines are does not intersect at any point, then solution is how it is possible? There is no solution. So it has no solution. It has no solution. If the solution is here consistent or inconsistent, these are inconsistent. Why? Because it doesn't have any solution, that's why the solution is inconsistent. So these 3 points are very, very important. These lines are represents parallel lines, and it has no solution, and the solution is inconsistent. Okay, like that we have discussed the parallel lines in the graph, the graphical representation of parallel lines. So next class we are going to discuss about that coincident lines. Previous class we have discussed two intersecting lines, this class parallel lines. Next class we are going to discuss about coincident lines. Okay, thank you.